Okay. If you can just...
I'll give you just a brief outline. Yeah. So it's open source, scalable elastic database, and actually I have a couple of slides that I can put on the screen. You can do that. So we call it simple, fast, and elastic. Simple because it's easy to deploy, 15 minutes to download and install.
Okay.
And get up and running. And
how many downloads by now?
it's tens of thousands. And we have a
Really?
huge community.
Wow, it's
I
feel uncomfortable.
So it's based on two products, Memcached, which has been out for over 4 years, and then CouchDB, which is what, a couple of years, Jeff? Something like that. So
okay,
yeah,
cool.
so there's a big community, and then what we provide is a enterprise edition that commercially integrates all of the bug fixes and provides support, hot fixes, technical support, our solution architects, and then fast, predictable, low latency, sub-millisecond. Response time has the Memcached for caching and clustering built into it. Zero downtime, which means you can add nodes, subtract nodes as your application scales. It provides just the nodes you need in real time. So you can do this without taking down the data.
That's worth a lot, yeah.
Right. So consistent performance, linear cost, use cheap commodity hardware. And just go through it at a high level. So this is, you're probably familiar with the kind of like 3-tier architecture.
Yes.
Here's your application or web service. Here's your application layer. You could cluster across the load balancer, but you've still got a monolithic relational database and monolithic system, very expensive, disruptive. You have to shard the data as the data increases. You have to change the data type. You have to change the schema, take down the application, and change the schema.
Yeah, we've seen that.
So we're bringing the same clustering technology to the data tier. Right? So automatically be able to add nodes, highly scalable, schema-less, using a simple key value store, replicating the data across each node, persisting to disk, and with master-to-master replications, you always have the master keys. So if a node goes down, the data doesn't...
You still keep on working, the data is intact. Yeah,
exactly.
Cool.
So that's basically it.
Nice. So who would be your biggest clients?
So here in the US, Zynga.
Okay, yeah, I guess,
Zynga. Over 1,000 nodes.
1,000 nodes,
And,
nice. Wow.
AOL to their ad network. In Europe, BBC, DHL.
Sweet.
And a number of other games, Web 2.0 companies, etc.
Cool. Very good. Yeah, well, thanks a lot. Can I ask you to say hi to Master of Code?
Of course. Hi, Master of Code.
Hey, thank you very much. Thank you. Really appreciate it.